Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Exped Flexmat. So this is no ordinary mat to sleep on when you're camping. It ticks a lot of serious boxes, as I like to say here at the Webtogs gear review. So first off, it is made from closed cell technology. Basically means that even under pressure, the performance and the design of this mat is going to work really, really well. It's going to help regulate your body temperature, which brings us to the next point, that this is perfect by itself, obviously for sleeping on the ground and camping. But if you're going camping and you've got a sleeping bag, you've got your inflatable mat, and that's it. You're really like ultra lightweight camping, especially if you're sleeping in hotter temperatures or wild camping or whatever. This will add additional protection to your inflatable mat and make things a lot more comfortable as well. And that's not me just generally saying it. Exped pride themselves on the fact that this mat here is perfect for additional protection to your other sleeping mats. But because of the closed cell technology and the overall design, it will still work with the other inflatable mat in helping you regulate your body temperature whilst you're sleeping. Now that is super cool. So let's take a look at the overall, let's talk about the overall features as well. So it's a 1.8 centimeters thick. I was going to say 100, that's pretty thick. It has an overall length of 183 centimeters and an overall width of 52 centimeters, which is obviously when it's all, outpacked and stuff like that. Closing as it is right now, so it has an overall height of 52 centimeters, overall dimensions or thickness of 15 centimeters, and literage, it has around about the same volume as 10 liters, which is pretty cool. Another key feature I need to mention or want to mention is that this fact that this memory foam mat does not feature a DWR coating. A lot of manufacturers add a DWR coating to their foam as a way of water repellency, but because this is a closed cell, it does offer great natural water repellency, so they've not added any man-made materials to that, which is really cool. And it's a really nice step that Exped have done this. And again, it's perfect for spring, summer, and early autumn. It has around about a max temperature of around about 6 degrees, but again, layering it up and stuff will be absolutely fine. So let's take a closer look at the sleeping mat itself. So the first thing that you'll notice is that the sleeping mat itself has this really kind of eggshell design to it. So that is designed to maintain and regulate your body temperature, as well as help with additional when it comes to the overall weight of you sleeping on it. Or again, you've got your another sleeping mat on top of that. There's going to be variance pressure points. So you can be rolled on your side, should we say, and you can have additional pressure on there. Again, that's not going to interfere with your the overall structure or integrity of the sleeping mat, but that also means it's not interfering with this side as well of the sleeping mat, so it can regulate your body temperature on that side as well. As you can see, it packs up nice and small, and it's really easy to unravel. There you go, take up the whole screen right there. And again, because it's folded, it naturally folds back into place. What's nice to see as well is that they haven't skimped. So this design that's on the side here is also mimicked on the inside as well. So it's double layered. So it's not just this funky design this side and then flat the other side. They have thought about it, and it is on the other side as well. So again, working with that closed cell foam, it just means that it's going to offer you the best regular temperature regulation and comfort as well. And talking about comfort, if you're just backpacking, you stop for a bit and you just want to have a nice lay down, you can whack this out your pack. You don't have to have any other additional like sleeping bag or anything. Literally lay it against your skin, and it is super soft, which is really cool to have, or a kind of a key feature, I guess, to have when it comes to a sleeping mat. Because I've had sleeping mats before where it's fine when you're in a sleeping bag, but as soon as it touches kind of a bit of skin, it doesn't feel very nice, or you get that really weird noise. You don't get that with this closed cell EVA foam. It is nice and comfortable against the skin. So yeah, like I said, it ticks a lot of boxes. So who is this mat for? So if you're doing your Duke of Edinburgh, you've got a couple of expeditions at various different times of the year. This is worth getting. During the summertime, you can use it by itself. During the wintertime, or if, again, you're pitching a tent or you're doing a bit of wild camping on rougher terrain and you just want a bit of additional protection and comfort, this will do the job. It will literally tick the boxes. If you're doing a couple of weekend adventures throughout the spring, summer and autumn, get it. If you're going to be doing a backpacking adventure where overall pack size, granted this isn't the smallest, you know, but again, it's a foam sleeping mat, so no foam sleeping mats are tiny, and if they are tiny, there's probably not much to them, so it's probably not worth getting them, truth be told. But yeah, you know, if pack size isn't an issue, I mean, you can strap this to the outside of your pack anyway. There's not going to be any issues with that. And again, weight-wise, I think it's around about 300 grams, not a little bit more than that. So it's not going to add any additional weight problems to your pack. This is going to tick the boxes for you. Yeah, so Scouts, DFE, you're doing a bit of weekend backpacking or just some general long-haul backpacking in different areas with potentially different terrain or different temperatures. This is perfect, again, as a separate sleeping mat, but then also as a protective mat as well. The only thing I wouldn't recommend this is if you're maybe only thinking, or you're just getting into your hiking or your backpacking, and you know, you're only maybe gonna do 1 or 2 trips down the line for this season, and you might not carry on afterwards, or if you know, you're just going to a festival here and there, and probably not for those ones. But yeah, if you're doing a good couple of trips with a good couple of variances, you know, this is definitely gonna, as I like to say, tick the boxes. But anyway, if you want to find out more about this mat, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. And whilst you're over there, you might notice that we're doing a really cool initiative. So once you place an order, or if you place an order with us, we are going to plant a tree, which within itself is fantastic, because this world that we live in needs more trees because of us naughty humans. So the fact that, again, we're doing that initiative within itself is brilliant. But our warehouse has a carbon emission rate of 93.5%. So we've nearly got rid of our carbon emissions. Hopefully within the next couple of years we will get rid of the carbon emissions. But at the moment, as of recording, it's sitting at 93.5%, which within itself is fantastic. So when you coincide that with place an order, plant a tree, that basically means is one order cancels the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders. How cool is that? So just from ordering from us, you're not only helping plant a tree, but then also as well, you're helping reduce our carbon emissions even more, which within itself is just fantastic. If you want to find out more about that, again, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the links pinned in the comments below. And that is it. So again, this mat is brilliant. You're looking at a mat to keep you warm during the summer, but then also use it as a protective layer for your inflatable mat. That's great. If you want a mat that's going to be really key at regulating your body temperature, thanks to this kind of almost eggshell design, should we say, this is definitely something to consider. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling on. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy trails.